In this video, we'll demonstrate how to seamlessly transfer your music playlists from Spotify to Apple Music without the hassle. Before we dive into this transformative process, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited about simplifying your music migration. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback fuels our commitment to creating valuable content. Now, let's delve into the solution. So, you've decided to switch from Spotify to Apple Music, but the idea of recreating playlists seems daunting. Fear not, as we introduce SongShift, a powerful tool that streamlines the transfer process. Begin by searching for SongShift on your preferred Apple device, be it your Mac, iPhone, or iPad. Download and install the app from the App Store. Open Apple Music and ensure you're signed in. Launch SongShift and connect both your Spotify and Apple Music accounts. Grant the necessary permissions for seamless access. Choose your source platform, Spotify, and destination platform, Apple Music. Click on the plus icon to initiate the transfer process. Select the playlists you wish to transfer. Note: the free version allows one playlist at a time. Confirm your selections and choose the destination for your new playlists. Review the summary page to ensure accuracy, then click Start Shift. SongShift will swiftly match songs from Spotify to Apple Music. Once complete, review the matches and click Confirm. Your new playlist is now seamlessly transferred to Apple Music. Additional tips: the free version is limited to one playlist transfer at a time. Upgrade to the paid version for bulk transfers if you have numerous playlists. By following these steps, you can effortlessly move your music world from Spotify to Apple Music. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement motivates us to bring you more insightful tutorials. For additional tech tips and tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.